So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about Retireable, which is our video sponsor and an awesome new company that is helping you retire. So you can sign up for Retireable with the link in the description and get a free consultation. They help make the retirement process super easy, and they actually pair you up with a retirement expert to walk you through the whole process. So now retiring is way easier than ever before. So use the link below and get a free consultation. And now let's get started with the video. Okay guys, the next topic we are looking at is Lyft launches upfront pay. So I didn't know about this, but this came out from the Rideshare Guy. So I don't take credit for this video idea. This is from the Rideshare Guy. So go subscribe to the Rideshare Guy. Thumbs up his channel. They're great. And they honestly report on news. Like, I have to give it to them. I think it's because they have so many drivers sending them in screenshots and whatnot. They get news like fast. And they have Sergio. I know Sergio and I do believe Chris too are active drivers, so they're getting, you know, the requests daily. So go subscribe to the Rideshare Guy. But yeah, let's listen to this. Lyft is rolling out upfront pay to drivers.
Lyft just quietly released upfront pay for several drivers in several cities and markets just the other day. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And Lyft finally released upfront pay, upfront trip details to drivers in several...
What's funny is Uber literally just did this. And Lyft is like, well, I guess we're going to do the same thing, because Uber and Lyft are pretty much the same thing.
Cities across the U.S. just this past Tuesday, which we were able to find out. Both Sergio and myself have it live in our markets, and very happy about that because now it's going to compete with Uber's upfront model, which shows the pickup, the drop off, and how much you're going to earn. Now, knowing this information up front is great because it's going to give you better decisions on whether that ride is going to be worth it to take or not. Knowing the drop-off location is great because if it takes you to an area that you don't want to drive...
So basically, this is how it works, guys. You'll get... This is an example of a ride request. This is a good one. Actually, wow, 42 miles? This is a long ride. Basically almost 48 miles for $30. I feel like Lyft is lowering rates. And this is in freaking San Francisco too. This is literally like, this is like Oakland. Yeah, this is like Oakland down to San Jose Airport. That's a freaking long ride, guys. You're going all the way to South Bay from, you know, East Bay. Northeast Bay for $30, guys. This is such a horrible... It's taking you 1 hour too. A full hour of driving for $30. Gosh, that's so much gas and wear and tear in your car. I don't know if that's worth it. Comment below. Would you take this trip? Let's look at... Maybe they did another example. Upfront pay is here. Now you'll see the fare and the destination before you accept a ride at San Francisco, so you can decide if it works for you. Your fare includes... Hey, what's up?
Sorry.
Now you're chilling. We're looking at upfront. Lyft just launched upfront pay.
Okay.
Yeah. Where you headed?
I don't know.
Why, did they kick you out?
Yeah, so it closed at 6.
Did somebody say to like leave?
Yeah.
So your fare includes getting to the pickup point, so you start earning on your way to pick up the rider. Well, that's always been the case. Earnings are no longer based on a set rate card. The fare for each ride is now based on a number of factors. So they're changing the way drivers make money now?
Pickup trips. And also, they're going to be looking at real-time data, like how many rides are being requested at that time, how many drivers are on the road, and other factors. So does this mean it's a pay cut in disguise, a rate cut in disguise, because there is essentially no more rate card? Well,
That's interesting. That is, I didn't even think about that. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Comment below. Okay, we're moving on to the next topic. Hey, what's up? You're back.
Okay, I'm just gonna sit by the pool.
Oh, you're getting ready to jump in?
Yeah.
Guys, click the thumbs up button if you haven't yet. Can you tell them to hit the thumbs up button? Because they don't listen to me.
Yeah, hit the thumbs up button, guys.
Yeah. Like smash it, like hit it big.
Yeah, smash that like button, guys.
Okay. And again, big shout out to Retireable. Thank you so much for giving my audience, you guys, a really easy way to retire, simple and easy, and you can get a free consultation with a retirement expert with Retireable. So use my link below to sign up for Retireable. God bless. Talk to you soon.